ये अभी क्वार्टर वेव से कनेक्टेड है। क्वार्टर वेव जीपी का एक्सेस बहुत कम है यहाँ से। या
See, देखिए we have sent the
ये 7/8 लंबा टेक वर्टिकल लगा से एक्सेस होना चाहिए अभी लो पावर में। This is signal strength at 5 watts। 5 watt में सिग्नल स्ट्रेंथ है। पावर ज़्यादा करके देखते हैं। 10 watts। सेम रिपोर्ट 25 watts। सेम रिपोर्ट 65 watts। सिग्नल स्ट्रेंथ 4 है।
बहुत अच्छी, वेरी गुड, एकदम स्ट्रेट एंड so this is the newly built ground. We had the Roli competition board yesterday only on the occasion of Children's Day. And he pursues his hobby from home at night. He capital of Andaman and Nicobar Island and has helped relay messages between the people stranded on the island and their families back home. We welcome you, sir. I request our sports captain to please give the potted plant to sir. Saurabh. Staff, ma'am and students of my school. And we are looking forward for the workshop you are going to have with us. Thank you so much, sir.
Say during the 1901, you know about Guglielmo Marconi. So that emergency may be any type of emergency, man-made emergency or natural emergency. So that time, if we all the people are hands, then we will not have to depend on our mobile phone. We use our mobile phone for depending on a network. We don't know who is maintaining the network. They maintain a network and they don't take money for maintaining the network. It is their passion and they maintain their network from their home and keep it on dedicatedly those who have the resources. So this digital communication, the emailing through ham, like the chat you do nowadays using internet, we hams can chat using our ham radio. Now I demonstrate to you. So in this movie you see a pilot using, while flying his aeroplane, he was using this key also. So that skill was required. So it's a skill. Even in USA and the Russian army, when all the development of the digital communication takes messaging, they are training their people which is more skilled. Because suppose all the you can communicate to USA also, Hawaii Island also. Radio frequency generator, which we make for the ham frequencies. We have to know what are our frequencies.
Served expanding Ron Mulligan's culinary style. No red. Well, chow is about ready, so it's time to get the hard-working Mulligan family together. Call Jimmy. Call Jimmy. Call Jimmy. Call Jimmy. Well, I guess that means you, man, Bob.
So that all languages of India also can be worked out like that.
Pardon?
Languages of India also can be worked out.
Yeah, in ham radio one can talk their particular languages. So these are all more sources. With this walkie-talkie, if I walk or if I drive a vehicle, I can show to the other hands where I am. Now I will show my home. There is another. This is my house where it is located. And if you mouse over, it will. Now that walkie-talkie is detected by a computer. Now I will press the button of this walkie-talkie. You will see that you will hear a sound there, and the vehicle is plotted there. See, the vehicle is plotted there. So if I connect a GPS and antenna at very high location. So in that case our communication is extended. Like in Delhi we maintain a repeater station which relay all the messages of hams in and around Delhi. That's a ham you are using. If I keep it on our Delhi repeater frequency, those whoever transmitting, I can listen to them. Now if I give a call, let me see, I can give a call. There are some calling procedures. Suppose I want to give a call to anybody in Delhi. That's called a CQ call.